Hello students, Monica ma'am here. This year I am going to teach you moral science of class 6. Just see, this is your prescribed book, Inspiring Souls, and I would like to start with first chapter of yours. This is your first chapter, God at the Door. As you know, this is moral science, so you will get moral story also, moral lesson also from this chapter. So first we will read ahead. God is present in one of us and in all the big and small things that He created. He is omnipresent. You know the meaning of omnipresent means God is everywhere. In each one of us, God is present. When we learn to see God in all His creations, we will have more reverence towards this world, loving and respecting others by feeling God's presence in them. In the first step towards loving God, this should be our first step, that we should feel that God is everywhere, in everyone God is present. So here it is a story about an old woman lived in Irish town. She prayed to God every day and wanted to meet Him personally. She thought about God day and night. Or you can say that lady was quite devotee to the God, and she was used to of praying to God day and night. One day before going to bed, she remembered Him intensely. Intensely means very deeply or with the full heart. She remembered God. That night, God appeared in her dream and promised to visit her the next day. When she woke up the next morning, she was very happy and at once began preparation to welcome him who? God. She cleaned her home and arranged whatever the little furniture she had. Then she started preparing delicious pastries for God. While she was preparing the pastries, someone knocked at the door. She rushed to open the door. She saw a salesman trying to sell some magazines. She was almost irritated, means getting upset, to see him and shouted, "Please do not disturb me today. I am waiting for an important visitor." If I will ask you who was the important visitor, definitely it was a God. "So keep my doorway clear. Do not waste my time." She turned the salesman away and almost slammed the door. You know the slammed means? Slammed means to shut the door forcefully is known as slammed. The woman cleaned the kitchen after preparing the pastries and sat down near the fireplace in the drawing room waiting for God. After some time, someone knocked at the door again. She rushed to the door. Why she rushed to the door? Because she was expecting God. Like before, expecting to see God. She was disappointed to see the neighbor's little girl who had come smelling the sweet aroma of the pastries coming from the old woman's kitchen. With a sweet smile on her face and twinkle in her eyes, she said, "Mrs. Jennifer, the little smell of the pastries has drawn me to your house. Can I have a pastry, please?" The old woman said to the girl angrily, "I am sorry, but please do not disturb me today, as I am expecting some important guest. You can come some other day to taste the pastries." She closed the door without waiting for the girl's reply and returned to the drawing room, waiting for God to show up. Hours passed by and day turned into night, means whole day she waited for the God. There was no sign of God. She was disheartened and wondered why God did not keep His promise. You know the meaning of disheartened? To lose determination or to lose confidence. Finally, she fell asleep crying while thinking about Him. Him means God. God again appeared in her dream and said, "My dear, I visited you twice today and you turned me away." She was surprised and said, "I cannot be. I waited for you all day, but there was no sign of you. When did you visit?" God said, "First I came as a salesman and then as the neighbor's little child, but both times you turned me away even without hearing what I had to say." The woman realized the mistake and said, "I did not recognize you. Oh Lord, please pardon me." God said, "I am present in everything and in everyone. So what is the moral of the story, students? It means that we should love each and every creature that is made by God. We should love and we should have love and care for everyone, because God is there in everything to whom He has made. Even we human being or the creatures, other creatures that God has made, all in all the creatures God is present. So we can say that God is omnipresent. This is the moral of the story. Now you will see. So this was your story, students. Now you will see the exercises given in the book. Exercise is there, that is true and false. So you will see the first true and false. You have to tick the statement with the word T or F. First one is, the old woman thought about God only when she was in trouble. It is false. Second one, the old woman prepared the delicious pastries for God. True. Number 3, the old woman was happy to see the salesman at her door because she was expecting him. It is false. God visited the old woman's house in the form of a salesman and the neighbor's child, but the woman could not recognize him. It is true. We should respect all because God is present everywhere and in everything. It is true. Second exercise is, choose the correct option and complete the sentences. First one is, the old woman was very happy when she woke up the next morning because, two options are there. A option is the right one, because God had promised to visit her the next day. Second is, the old woman had slammed the door at the salesman because, two options are there. B option is the right one, because she was waiting for God and instead the salesman had come. Third one is, the neighbor's little girl had come to old woman's house because, two options are there. A option is the right one, because the sweet aroma of the pastries from the old woman's kitchen had drawn her there. Next is, after waiting the whole day, the old woman felt asleep crying. Two options are there. Right option is A1, and wondered why God did not keep his promise. Fifth one is, that day God visited the old woman twice, but two options are there. A option is the right one, because both the times she failed to recognize him. So exercises I have given already to you, students. These are the question answers of your chapter. First question is, who appeared in the old woman's dream and what did he promise? Answer is, God appeared in the old woman's dream and promised to visit her the next day. Second question is, what preparations did the old woman do to welcome God? Answer is, old woman cleaned her home and arranged whatever little furniture she had and prepared delicious pastries for God. Question number 3 is asking, why was the old woman irritated to see the salesman? Answer is, the old woman got irritated to see the salesman because she was waiting for an important visitor, that was God. Fourth question is, why did the little girl come to old woman's house? The little girl came to the old woman's house because the sweet aroma of the pastries from the old woman's kitchen had drawn her there. Question number 5, did God visited the old woman's house? If yes, then how? God visited God visited the old woman's house twice. First he came as a salesman and then as the neighbor's little child. These were your question and answers. Now what you have to do, I have taken an extract from the book, inside the chapter of the book, and then I have given it as a reference to the context. This is your sentence. God is omnipresent, which means that God is present everywhere. This is your sentence. On the basis of this sentence, 3 questions I will give you. These are the 3 questions based on your extract. First question is, from where is this extract taken? Answer is, this extract is taken from the chapter God at the Door. Question number 2, where is God? Answer is, God is present everywhere in all his creations. Question number 3, how is it difficult to feel the presence of God? Answer is, it is difficult to feel the presence of God without cultivating the devotional attitude. This was your first extract, and another extract I have given, number 2, that is, she started preparing delicious pastries for God. This is the sentence. On the basis of this sentence, I have prepared 3 questions. First question is, from where is this extract taken? This extract is taken from the chapter God at the Door. Question number 2 is there. Who is she in above lines? Answer is she is an old woman in above lines. Question number 3. Why was she preparing delicious pastries? Answer is she was preparing delicious pastries to welcome God. When you will write all these work, you all have to copy these question and answers and these reference to the context in the notebook only. Exercises you will not write in the notebook. You will directly mark your exercises in your books. Thank you class. Have a nice day.